Once you take public money, the public should know who gets their money.
Must be accountable
and
for
now,
it.
once you want to say, no, Mackenzie is exposing things, who are you? When you are minister, you mustn't expose us. I'm the minister now. Let me do what I do as the minister. We are going to bring out everybody that received money. There are people. I'll make you an example with Netball. Netball South Africa was paid 2.5 million, which is nothing compared to individuals. They was paid 20 million. For what? One individual, for instance, I went to go and see. What you guys spend 20 million on this individual? Now we bought him a building. A building! No, we're renovating his building for 20 million. Can you really, and we are bringing the individual out next week also. How can you spend 20 million for renovations on an individual while you have a national team like Netball SA getting 2.5 million? That nonsense is stopping. We are going to bring out, and then when I'm done with that, I'm now going to see who made this possible in my department. And then I will deal with them. Medical aid reserved only for MPs. Presidents, medical aid reserved only for MPs. Presidents, judges. It's an exclusive medical aid called PARMED. An exclusive medical aid. That's number 2. That's what they get. Number 3, obviously, is the pension fund. That I can understand. When you work, you must have a pension fund. Then you get a free parking at 3 major airports with exclusive access card. You can park at the airport for up to 14 days at no charge. Then every MP gets 88 single flights per MP. 88 single flights per MP. 12 single flights, MP spouse and kids under 18 years. And if they are over 18, they must have proof that they are studying. And you can put 5 of your children on there. Your 2 single flights for your parents or your parents-in-law.